friends. These are the directions for Tuesday, April 14th. When you log into your stream today, you will see this box at the top. It says, have a question? Want to talk to Ms. Atako? This is the place to comment. You can leave a comment for me or other students. Make sure it is kind and school appropriate, and make sure you check back to see what other people say. I noticed yesterday a lot of us were commenting on all of the posts. This is where we'll do all of our commenting. If you want to say hi to a friend, if you want to say hi to me, you can comment here. It needs to be kind and school appropriate. We are also not going to leave 5, 6, 7, 8 comments in a row because that's just not polite. Just like I wouldn't let you raise your hand 5 times in a row in class, we're not going to leave 5 comments in a row on Google Classroom. Now, when you go to do your work, you can find it in 2 different places. You either find it in the stream right here where I can click, and it'll take me right there. I can also go to classwork and click here on Tuesday and then click view assignments. Either way gets you to the same place. Today's instructions are to watch this video first. So good job, you're already halfway there. Then you will click on the week 1 Tuesday slides below. Over here, I see I have 2 things that I need to do today. This is my live spelling right here, and in my estimating in inches page for math right here. I also need to do some literacy centers and math centers. I do not need to turn that in, but you need to make sure that you're practicing. Once you have gone through the slides right here and finished both assignments, not just one, but both assignments, you click Turn In. If you do not finish both assignments, I will return it to you and remind you to go back and double check. Let's look at what the slides look like. We have our morning meeting slide. We have our schedule, my contact information if you need me. Remember that office hours are from 10 to 11 and 3 to 4. That is the best time to call, text, or video chat me. You can click this link right here to ask me any questions or just say hi. For working on spelling, I want you to read these words, our spelling words, and then complete the live spelling activity in Google Classroom. Let's see what that looks like. That is this activity right here. When I go to do live spelling, I will first watch the video. You get to watch Ms. Smith teach you today. And then I will drag the words to the right spot. I wait for the little symbol that looks like this, the white one with the 4 arrows, to click and then drag to where it goes. Let's say that, I accidentally drag it in the wrong place, or I accidentally erase a letter. That's okay. All you have to do is click this magical button over here called the undo button, and boop, boop, it's like it never even happened. This is one assignment that you will need to turn in today. For math, you will work on something called an Edpuzzle. An Edpuzzle is a really cool video where when you click it, it has questions that you need to answer. I will watch the Edpuzzle video first, and then I will answer these questions throughout the video. You cannot skip through the video, so if I go to play it, it says locked if I try to skip. You can't skip, so don't even try. Once you watch the video, you will go back to Google Classroom and complete the estimating in inches assignment. It looks like this. It says directions. Find these objects right here at home and estimate their length in inches. IN period is the short way to write inches. An estimate means a close guess to the correct answer. An inch is about as long as a paper clip or your knuckle if you bend it. You can come in here and type. So that's how you'll put how many inches. Let's say I measure a book and it's 12 inches long, or I measure a pencil and it's 5 inches. I can write either like this, inches like this, or inches like that. Now, if you don't happen to have one of these objects at home, maybe you don't have any scissors, you can just erase the word and you can type what you do have. Maybe instead of scissors, I have a brush. That's fine. It doesn't really matter what you measure as long as you are measuring something. This is another one of the assignments you need to turn in. In our slides, I put the math slides too. In case you need to go back when you're working on your math, you can go back and click on these. You should take a brain break when you're done, then do literacy centers. Try to pick an option that you haven't done yet. Do a math center, and then social studies. When you get to this page, when you click right here, it takes you to a video of me going over the slides. There are some videos in this slide that I will not show when I am reading you the directions, so you'll have to come back. Those videos are right here on the penny, right here on the dollar, and then right here, and these two games. These two games are also options from Math Center. So if you want to play these for your Math Center, you can do that. You take a brain break after you're all done, and then boom, you are done with your work. Now, hold on. One thing you need to remember, when you finish your estimating in inches and your Letterland, you come here and you click this purple button that says Turn In. That lets Miss Atako know that you are done, and I will check it, okay? If you do not understand something or you need to ask me a question, please type in this private comment box. That means that only I will see it. Do not type in the class comment box because then everybody will see it. All right, second graders, I can't wait to see the awesome work that you turn in.